Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a flavor-packed one-pot vegan chickpea curry that's creamy, hearty, and ready in under 30 minutes. Best part, just one pot, meaning less mess,
more flavor, and more time to enjoy your food.
Here's what you'll need. 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a little fresh ginger,
1 can of coconut milk, diced tomatoes, and of course spices like curry powder, cumin, and turmeric. Simple, budget-friendly, and all vegan. First, heat up a splash of oil in your pot. Toss in the chopped onion, garlic, and ginger.
Let them sizzle for about 2 minutes until your kitchen smells like heaven.
Now sprinkle in your spices, curry powder, cumin, turmeric, even a little chili if you like heat.
Next, add your diced tomatoes and creamy coconut milk. Give it a stir, then toss in the chickpeas.
Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And just like that, you've got a cozy one-pot vegan curry.
look at that, creamy, colorful, and ready to eat. And remember, one pot, less mess.
If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick vegan meals.